came for TOYIN, a lot of you don't know this, but let me tell you, when she came for TOYIN, the first thing I did was I called her. This thing called LIZZY, I called her. I said, Liz, what's going on? Why you did it? She said, TOYIN set her up. TOYIN did this. I said, but TOYIN just had a baby. She said, she waited for the right time to do that. She did this. IYABO, if it's you cannot take it. There's evidence. Now, this evidence, which she always claim when she gets. For once, I was confused. I carried myself. Called TOYIN. TOYIN, where are you? I had not gone to see TOYIN's baby, oh. TOYIN, where are you? She said, she's at home. Auntie IYABO, money, I'm coming. I've been busy, I've been working, but I saw what happened. She said, Auntie, I don't even understand right now. I went to see that poor girl that day. I didn't climb upstairs because our in-laws were there. There were a lot of people in the house. I stayed downstairs. TOYIN came downstairs to meet me. She was crying already, safe. Auntie IYABO, Omi ti gbe lọ́yàn mi. In fact, the shock was so much for her that she could not produce milk to feed her baby. This one is confirmer. I asked TOYIN, give me your phones. TOYIN said, Auntie IYABO, clever phone, give me your phones. I collected TOYIN's phone. I now went to her WhatsApp. I was looking for a group. Maybe she has a group of, titans. So Auntie IYABO, kí lẹ ń wá lórí phone? I said, where is the group? Where is the group of titans? I want to dismantle the group. I want to... Why are your fans going there to bully her and write petition and do everything? She just said, Auntie IYABO, believe me. Auntie IYABO, shame me. That's what TOYIN said. Auntie IYABO, shame me. So I was CB by. Láti wá confirm me wrote Lizzy ń pamọ́ mi. Why would I want to set up? Kill him as Lizzy don't fa. We don't shoot the same kind of movies. We don't do the same kind of business. We are not age mate or age set. We are not dating the same man and married. So I don't understand what is the connection until you they want to phone me. Oh yeah, I go through. Oh yeah, wo that even when I told me, Emma till return phone Emma take phone yellow. Emma, she called her PA. Ba mi mú phone kan wá lókè yẹn náà tún mú phone wá. Egba ekuku ko gbogbo ẹ lọ. She gave me password. Auntie TOYIN is alive. Ask her. TOYIN started crying. She was crying. We were downstairs in the compound. She was crying. Auntie IYABO, believe me. She can't cut. I said, I started begging. I did not see TOYIN's baby that day. Because of this stupid Lizzy ANJORIN. I did not see TOYIN's baby that day. I did not climb upstairs. Because I was in shock. I never came out to say all this. I left that day with a lot of pain in my heart because TOYIN is someone I love so much. I felt like, did I distrust TOYIN for once? Did I do right? But I was just trying to help sort out whatever issue was going on that I wasn't aware of. All the gifts I bought for TOYIN, the pampers and everything, not for TOYIN, for the baby, she didn't collect them. She said she was not going to take them. Yes, TOYIN and I had a fight over Lizzy ANJORIN's issue that Liz never even knew about. I never even told Liz about it. She said she's not taking those things. That how can I believe Liz over her? She was very unhappy that day. You subjected that girl, put TOYIN into depression. You labeled her. There was Lizzy ANJORIN. No. After that day, I went to TOYIN's house. I called Liz and I kept asking her to send me the proof of evidence that she has against TOYIN. Till today, Liz has not sent any proof of evidence. You came out, sat in front of your house, did video, cursing on TOYIN and her new baby, labeling her, lying, saying a lot of defamatory things about her. Until today, to this minute, as I'm doing this video, you have not shown us one proof of evidence. So I told Mommy Elizabeth,
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ̀ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí ó sọ nípa LIZZY ANJORIN àti ìjà tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú TOYIN Abraham ní bí ọdún díẹ̀ sẹ́yìn. Ẹ ti gbọ́ ohun tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, bí ó ti sọ wípé òun pe LIZZY ANJORIN, òun sì tún pe TOYIN Abraham láti gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn gangan. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, níbo lẹ lérò wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí yóò padà yọrí sí báyìí o?
Ma, please kindly ask her for proof. Let her. She has refused to show us the proof. Maybe she can show you. She's close to you. Before you come out for Toyin, can you kindly ask her for the proof?